Hello, this is Ajax from FlatFrog. I'm product marketing here, and today I would like to show you our latest product, collaborate with CVT, the brand there, and you can see we put a frog here, and this is our company name. Yeah. Yeah, and then this slide, we put a slide here and just want to introduce the major 4 different features. And we are a touch company, and we try to provide most natural writing, just like what you write on the paper, and we do the passive pen. So yeah, let's take a look. I can start for the first feature. So you see that I have the pen on my hand, exactly like this one. And then we have small and large pen, and we have FlatFrog logo on that. And then the major other 3 features will be passive pressure, point rejection, and block eraser. So I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, then let's get this slide over there. And first of all, I'm going to show you the small pen. And you already can capture some lines that's different thickness, right? Some of that is thin, and if you do more pressure and then give it more strength, then the line will be more thick. And that's the first one, and that's a small pen you can do. And then we switch it to the back side. It gives you a precision eraser like this. Okay, that's kind of small, right? And then we can show you finger, but here now you see that's the same color, but if I like, I can switch it back, then finger will be white and then pen will be still yellow. So that gives you 2 different colors and then erasers. Then I'm going to show you different objects for like this. Yeah, then this is fit eraser and point eraser. And then we have multi-touch like this way. And then the best thing is we have the block eraser like in my hand. It directly can precisely show how it's smooth to erase all the things. Okay, and then last of all, I would like to show you that for all these products. So we have a slim bezel, and there is a black mark here. But even though we can make it more slim, and so this is totally infrared touch, FlatFrog only patent technology. And so to look at this is Flash, the modern design, the best products for the corporate. Also the back, yeah, it's quite slim, purely white. We can do other colors and beautiful, right? And it's very convenient to magnet the passive pen here, take it, and then swipe it, and then start writing. Okay, that's it.